Welcome, everyone, to our session on an amazingly exciting topic, shining light on the brain. I'm Dr. Scott Haggerty, and I am thrilled to have the opportunity to explore this fascinating subject with you. Before we dive into the specifics, let's take a moment to appreciate the incredible complexity of the human brain. It's a marvel of nature, constantly working to keep us functioning at our best. Our discussion today will focus on a groundbreaking approach that uses light to support and enhance brain health. As we progress, we'll explore how light, specifically through a process called photobiomodulation, can activate cellular healing within the brain. This technique holds promising potential for improving brain function and overall health. Thank you for joining me in this journey. Let's start looking at how we can illuminate the brain together and see the amazing things that are possible. So first, I'd like to welcome you to our exploration of photobiomodulation, or PBM. So what is this intriguing concept? At its core, PBM involves using red and near-infrared light to activate cellular healing processes. The idea is elegantly simple yet profoundly impactful. This light therapy stimulates our cells in a way that promotes healing, making it a fascinating area of study, especially in brain health. It's important to note that PBM is not just any light exposure. It specifically targets our cells to initiate a healing response. Think about the potential. Harnessing light to aid in cellular repair and recovery. It's an exciting frontier in medicine that offers promising possibilities. As we move forward, we'll delve deeper into how PBM works, particularly in relation to our brain cells and mitochondria. Let's uncover the mechanisms that make this therapy so incredibly promising. Now, let's dive into this. So, let's talk about how PBM works and how it does these amazing things in our brain. The first key player is mitochondrial activation. PBM stimulates a component called cytochrome C oxidase, which boosts mitochondrial function and energy production right in our brain cells. This is crucial because it leads to increased ATP production. If you're not familiar, or if you need a refresher, ATP is like the fuel that powers our cells. When we have more of it, our cells can perform essential tasks like repair and recovery much more efficiently. Isn't it fascinating how light can influence such vital processes? Another remarkable effect of PBM is its ability to trigger neuroprotective responses. It actually enhances antioxidant activity, which protects our brain cells from oxidative stress. This means PBM not only boosts energy production, but it also safeguards our brain cells, supporting their health and their longevity. Now, let's stay tuned here because we really want to focus on how PBM has other benefits that help to improve brain function by improving microcirculation and more. Now, let's explore how PBM benefits microcirculation and neurovascular coupling. So PBM significantly improves blood flow, which is crucial for delivering oxygen and nutrients to brain tissue. This enhanced microcirculation is vital as it supports the brain's healing processes and overall function. Next, let's talk about what's known as neurovascular coupling. So PBM modulates this coupling to enhance the communication between neurons and blood vessels. This interaction ensures that resources essential for optimal cognitive performance and recovery are efficiently delivered where needed most. Finally, consider the systemic effects of PBM therapy. It's not just localized benefits. PBM can enhance the body's overall function. By understanding these mechanisms, we see how PBM supports not just isolated functions, but holistic health and recovery. Guys, this stuff is really amazing. Now let's dive into why the 760 to 940 nanometer wavelength range is key for photobiomodulation. This range specifically, and the one that we use most commonly is 810 nanometers, but it's essential because it allows for the deepest penetration into the tissues, which is essential for reaching structures effectively. Now, within this, right, we talked about the 810 nanometer wavelength. It's considered optimal for penetration in the brain because it maximizes the therapeutic benefits, which means better light absorption, which then facilitates the processes we've discussed, like enhanced ATP production and improved neurovascular coupling. Understanding this optimal range helps us appreciate how PBM therapy can have such profound effects on brain health and recovery. Now, today we're diving into an exciting realm, the clinical evidence supporting PBM as well, and especially as it relates to stroke recovery. Our primary focus here is on how PBM has shown the potential in enhancing recovery by improving perfusion in brain areas that are affected by stroke. This means that PBM can help increase blood flow and oxygen delivery, which are crucial for healing damaged brain regions. Let's highlight a key point. Improved perfusion implies that the affected brain areas receive better support for repair and recovery. This is a significant finding because it opens up new avenues for stroke rehab and recovery. As we proceed, keep in mind that these advancements are paving the way for improved cognitive functions in overall brain health. Guys, this is just absolutely huge. Let's explore some fascinating findings in the field that particularly focus on things like TBI, or traumatic brain injury as it's more commonly known. Research has shown that lesion size or the area of damaged tissue can significantly decrease in response to this treatment. This is a major breakthrough, as smaller lesions often correlate with better recovery outcomes. Furthermore, studies indicate improved cognitive functions in patients who have experienced brain laser therapy. Participants have reported enhanced memory and focus, which is crucial for daily living and independence post TBI. And lastly, neuroprotective effects have been confirmed through imaging studies. These positive outcomes suggest that photobiomodulation not only aids in recovery, but also protects brain cells from further damage when a TBI has been experienced. Have any of you or your loved ones been affected by a TBI? These advancements offer hope and, more importantly, underscore the potential of light therapy in transforming patient care and patient outcomes. Now, let's turn our attention next to the promising developments in treating Alzheimer's disease. Now, when we look at conditions like Alzheimer's disease, we know this is something that affects families everywhere. And we know that first, Alzheimer's disease research is showing so little progress in the sides with medicine and other therapies. What we see happening with using PBM is just mind-blowing, because research is showing that there are reduction in amyloid plaques, which can significantly enhance cognitive function. This is a pivotal development. If you know anything about Alzheimer's, if they're seeing reductions in amyloids, that is a huge sign of improvement in brain function, offering huge amounts of hope for improved quality of life for people that are suffering with it. Next, let's consider conditions like Parkinson's disease. So what they're showing is preservation of dopamine neurons, and this is proving to be crucial in improving patient mobility. This is not just about maintaining movement, but also enhancing overall life experiences and prolonging quality of life for sufferers of things like Parkinson's disease and also Alzheimer's. And finally, early human data is extremely promising. We're seeing improvements in both gait and cognition from trials, which is a testament to the potential of these treatments. Together, these advances represent a leap forward in managing neurodegenerative disorders that we haven't seen in generations, setting a strong foundation for future research and, of course, treatment options. Now, as we delve into mood and cognitive performance, let's explore how light can be a powerful ally in enhancing brain health. First, consider the transformative impact of light on our mental well-being. Light is not just a source of illumination, but a tool that can significantly boost our mood and cognitive abilities. This is particularly fascinating because it opens up a new avenue for non-invasive and natural interventions in improving overall brain function. The potential here is immense. Imagine harnessing light to enhance focus, memory, and even emotional balance. As we continue, we'll see how cutting-edge research is turning these concepts into reality, offering us practical solutions that improve our daily lives. Up next, we'll explore how research is being translated into real-world applications, particularly through innovative technologies like Suma's Horizon Class 4 laser systems, which we happen to employ in our practice. Now, as we transition from research into reality, let's delve into how the Sumas is being used in our practice and how it's making a significant amount of impact in our patients' lives and in their health. This cutting technology is not just a concept, but a tangible tool that bridges scientific research with real-world applications. The Suma's Horizon that we use exemplifies how innovative research can be directly applied to improve cognitive functions and overall brain health. It's fascinating to see how something as simple as light can be harnessed for such profound benefits. This system represents a new frontier in brain health, offering hope and tangible improvements in quality of life through light therapy. It's a testament to the power of translating scientific discovery into everyday solutions. I can tell you from what we have seen This has been transformative to hundreds of our patients because being able to have the ability to have power of penetration into essential brain areas can radically transform people's lives, whether it's kids with neurodevelopmental challenges to adults who are dealing with neurodegenerative disorders, cognitive decline. It is amazing the things that we can see. As we'll continue, we'll explore how this system revitalizes cellular energy and enhances neuroplasticity, setting the stage for a healthier, more adaptive brain. So now let's look next at how energy restoration through photobiomodulation works. So photobiomodulation revitalizes cellular energy, which is essential for promoting healing and regeneration. This enhancement in cellular energy also boosts resilience in overall brain function. One fascinating aspect of light therapy is its ability to support neuroplasticity. This is the brain's capacity to adapt and recover, leading to a more balanced cognitive state and improved well-being. Neuroplasticity and balanced cognitive states are huge when we talk about this, guys, because it tells us that the brain's functionally improving. Finally, think of light as a healing force. It restores not just energy, but also balance within our systems. Let's appreciate the healing power of light and its potential to transform our cognitive health. If you found any of this information valuable and you'd like to dive deeper, I would encourage you to join the Brain Laser Training Academy on School, because this offers you a fantastic opportunity to connect with like-minded individuals who are passionate about brain health and innovation. By subscribing, you'll gain access to a wealth of resources and support because you're going to be with clinicians like you who are looking to apply this in your day-to-day practice. This community is not just about learning, it's about creating meaningful connections, sharing insights, and encouraging one another on our journey to enhance brain health. Take this step today to empower yourself with knowledge and a supportive network. We look forward to welcoming you into our community very soon.